All right, now welcome to today's class. We'll be treating basis period uh, in taxation. Okay, now we have what we call say basis period. This is a period for which a business is assessed to tax. The basis period could either be 12 months or less than, as the case may be. Then we have to also consider uh, the classification of basis period. We have the normal basis period, which is normally 12 months and has a constant or a similar accounting date. We operate with consistency principle. Then it's also a going concern concept. Then for the abnormal basis period, this is where we have commencement. Business may start operation, let's say 1st of March, and if the accounting year end is 31st of December, I think that's a period less than 12 months. So that is an abnormal basis period. So when a business commences newly, it happens to have an abnormal basis period. Then change of accounting dates. When a business alters the accounting date, maybe as a result of government regulations or uniformity with their foreign partners and all of that, it may also lead to another form of abnormality. Then cessation. So, in fact, the opposite of normal basis are the abnormal basis. So let's look at commencement provision today. So commencement rule. Commencement rule. It is important to understand what is accounting year end or accounting date. This is the date which you normally report profit. So it can either be 31st December every year, 30th of November every year. So it all depends on the company's it depends on the company which date they use as the accounting year end. So under commencement provision, commencement, the first rule says identify the year the business started operation. Then for that year, the year they start, which is year 1, assess the business from date of commencement to the first accounting year end. Then assess the second year from the day after the first year end. The day after the first year end, day after the first year end, to the second accounting year end. And all these are purely on preceding basis, preceding year basis. Year 3, day after the second accounting year end to the third accounting year end. Now this may sound somehow to start practicalizing them, probably solving questions. But this is just like, this is preceding year basis. The third year is also preceding year basis. Now what is preceding year basis? Preceding year basis. When we say preceding year basis, it talks about the year before this year. So to assess 2021, it is the activities of 2020, the year before. So if we want to assess 2021, and the accounting year end of the firm is 31st of December every year, so it means that the year before 2021 is 2020. So to draw a basis period for 2021 on preceding year basis for a business that has its accounting year end to 31st December every year, it will be 31st December. Then which year comes before 2021? 2020. If you count 12 months backward, it means for them to have been ending account 31st of December, they've started when? 1st of January 2020. So if you count 12 months backward, you have 1st of January 2020. So this is preceding year basis. It is forbidden to see 2021 in this basis period. Next, if we want to assess 2021 and the accounting year end of the company is 30th of September every year, what will be the basis period? So since it's preceding year basis and the normally end account 30th of September every year, it will be the year before this year. So which year comes before 2021? 2020. Then when you count 12 months backward, it will be 1st of October 2019. So you see, when we have this conjunction of two years together, you have to be very careful. It's not like this one that is just on straight basis, probably where it is just on a singular or a straight line. In such case, where they normally end their account other than 31st of December, this is 30th of September. So the preceding year is the year before 2021, which is 2020. For them to have end account 30th of September 2020, it means they have started 1st of October 2019. And it's always a period of how many months? 12 months. So you count 12 months backward. If I were you, I would draw calendar to make this thing easy for me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's say 2019. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 2020. Okay? Now, if you look at this first illustration I gave, if you normally end account 31st of December 2020, it means they have started 12 months ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you are still learning these things from the onset or you are still at the foundation stage of learning basis period, then you have to work to calendar to gain mastery. So it is 1st of January to 31st December of that same 2020 to assess 2021. But then if we have 30th of September as our accounting date, 30th of September 2020, that should be this month. So for them to have ended account 30th of September, they started when? You count 12 backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means they've started 1st of October 2019 to 30th of September 2020. That's the period of how many months? 12 months. That's preceding year basis. We also have what we call actual basis. Actual year basis. This is to assess that year with the activities of that year. For actual basis, if you say assess 2021, it will be the activities of 2021. So it is January 1st, 2021 to 31st December 2021 is actual. If you say assess 2019 on actual, it is 1st of January 2019 to 31st December 20 actual. For that year, use the actual year for that year. All right, so let's solve a question on commencement now. So the question will be displayed on the screen. The question is this. Daddy Limited commence business on 1st March 2020, making up accounts to 31st December each year. They had the following results for the few years of trading. Period to 31st December 2020, 400,000 naira. Period. So we can just summarize the question here. Let me just summarize the question. So we just solve. Period to period to 31st December 2020, they made 400,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2021, they made 600,000 naira. Year ended 31st December 2022, they made 720,000 naira. Required. So take note, Daddy Limited, it started when? They started the business 1st of March 2020. So required, compute the accessible profit for all the relevant years. Okay, so without wasting time, computation of accessible profit. Say for the relevant years, so we'll get to see the years by the time we start solving. Okay. So we have the tax year, basis period, and accessible profits. All right. Now for the first year, we'll assess the business. So when solving commencement, you start from the basis period. It's strictly on preceding year basis. We assess the business from the date of commencement to the first year end. So the date of commencement is 1st of March 2020. 1st of March, that's when they commence business. 2020. So the first accounting year end. So what's the accounting year end? The accounting date is normally 31st of December. So 31st of December 2020. That's the first year end. So this period will be used to assess which year. This is preceding year basis. This period will be used to assess 2021. And the 2 years following will be 2022, 2023. Okay. To assess the second year, you say a day after the first accounting year end. So after 31st of December 2020, the next date is 1st of January 2021. So the second year end, which is 31st of December 2021. See, preceding year basis. It's just like saying, if the normally end account 31st of December, preceding year, the year before this year, 2021. So you count 12 backward. It means it started 1st of January 2021 to have ended 31st of December. So we can also apply that principle in the third year by saying, since this is 2023, the normally end account 31st of December. Which year comes before 2023? Year 2022. If you count 12 months back, it means they've started 1st of January 2022. So it's the same thing by saying a day after the second accounting year end. After 31st of December 2021, the next date is what? 1st of January 2022. To the third year end, 31st of December 2022. So this one is very simple because the accounting year end is 31st of December. So we'll solve another complex question where the accounting year end may either be 30th of September or 31st of March, as the case may be. But I think if it is not 31st of December, it will not be simple as this. So for 1st of March to 31st December 2020, that's the period we have here. The period to here means the date of commencement, 1st of March 2020 to 31st December 2020. How much was made? 400,000 naira. Then the next basis period, 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2021. That's the period we have here. Because if this place ends 31st December 2020, it means here started from 1st January 2021 So when you see period 2, it's either less than 12 months or more than 12 months. Then when you see year ended or year 2, it's exactly 12 months. So if year ended 31st December 2020, it means year started 1st of January 2021 down to 31st December 2021. And that's the period, that's the same period we have here. We're looking for 1st of January 2021 to 31st December 2021, which they made how much? 600,000 naira. Then 1st of January 2022 to 31st December 2022, that's the period we have here. And they made how much there? 720,000 naira. So this is accessible profit for 2021 to 2023 tax year. So we'll take another complex example. All right, let's solve example 2. Kirikou is a sole trader and the founder of Kiki Shops. The business is into small-scale bakery across 3 states in Nigeria. Kirikou registered a business with CAC on 1st July 2015 and filed all the papers necessary on 1st November 2017. Due to unexpected logistics, Kiki Shops did not commence trade until 1st of March 2021. The following statement was extracted from their records. So, Kiki Shops started business when? Kiki Shops. So, leave all those many stories. We are told that they registered with CAC, they did not commence until when? When did they start operation? They commenced 1st of March 2021. The next, we are told that the following statement was extracted from their records. Period 2. Period 2. 30th of November. So this one now is not 31st of December again. 2022. The amount is 3,500,000 naira. Year ended 30th November 2023. 2 million naira. Year ended 30th of November 2024, 2,900,000. Required, compute the accessible profit for all relevant tax year of assessment. All right, so without wasting time, bring the name of the entity down, Kiki Shops. Then, computation of accessible profits for all relevant tax years. So we'll get to know that as we solve. All right, so we have tax year, basis period, and the accessible profits. Okay, so we normally start from the basis period. So according to the commencement rule, for year 1, it will be from the date of commencement to the first accounting year end. The date of commencement is 1st of March 2021. The accounting year is always 30th of November. So the first accounting year end will be 30th of November 2021 that is started the operation. So this period will be used to assess 2022 since it's on preceding year basis. Then 2023, the second year, will be assessed a day after the first year end. So after 30th of November 2021, what's the next date? It will be 1st of December 2021. So the second year end, the accounting year is always 30th of November. So the second year will be what? 2022. So you can either use this approach or you can use the approach of preceding year basis to solve that. So you can say, instead of going through this many rigorous computation, or even I think this one is even more simpler than that approach. You can as well just say, since the accounting year end is 30th of November, preceding year, which year comes before 2023? It is 2022. And when you count 12 months back, for them to have ended account 30th of November, it means they started when? 1st of December. When you count 12 months back, 2021, which is still a day after this date. So whichever approach you use is still the same thing. So 2024, a day after the second accounting year end. So after 30th of November, the next day will be 1st of December 2022. So the third accounting year ends 30th of November 2023. All right, so these are the relevant years. Then let's look for the profit here. To get the accessible profit, we're looking for March to November. March to November is how many months? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay, March to November is 9 months. 9 months. So we're looking for profit of 9 months, March to November 2021. And we are giving the first period to year means the date of commencement, which is on 1st of March 2021. From March 2021 to November 2022. Wow, that's a long period. Now take note, they didn't end in November 2021. They expanded to November 2022. So that's a very long period. That's from like March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. That's like 21 months or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you see, from March 2021 to November 2022, a period of 18 months, 21 months. And we're looking for where? We're looking for March 2021 to November 2021. We're looking for this period, March to November. And we're giving a total of 21 months period. So you take this 9 months out of the 21 because the profit reported here is a profit of 21 months. So you take 9 out of the 21 times 3,500,000. And that will give us 9 divided 21 times 3 million. That's 1,500,000. All right. Next period, 1st of December 2021 to 30th of November 2022. 1st of December 2021 is still in this first period. Because if we look at this period, it started from March 2021 till November 2022. So it means December 2021 is still in this period. December 2021 to November 2022. That's the remaining 12 months. That's the period of 21 months. We've taken 9 months. So even the remaining 12 months, that's the total of 21 months in that period. So December 2021 to November 2022, that's the 12 months there. We're looking for this 12 months. So you take that 12 out of total profit reported is what? 21 times 3,500,000. I think that will give us a 2 million error. When you press that, it give you 2 million. Then for the third year, 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. That's the period we have here. Because if this place ends 30th of November 2022, it means here started 1st of December 2023. Sorry, 2022 rather. So 1st of December 2022 to 30th of November 2023. That's the same period we have here. They made how much there? They made 2 million naira. So, since we still have one more profit there, we can proceed to 2025. The base period will be 1st of December 2023 to 30th of November 2024. And they made that much. That's the period we have here. 2.9 million naira. 2.9 million. All right, so this is computation of accessible profit for 2022 to 2025 year of assessment. So this is how commencement look like. So we'll drop some other questions that you can also try. In our subsequent videos, we'll do the correction for you to enhance your practice. So do it to encourage us by subscribing to our channel, like our videos, share to your friends and relatives that may be in need of our tutorials. Thank you very much.